What's up, guys? Today we're diving into some juicy leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. That's right, the latest iteration of Samsung's groundbreaking foldable smartphone is just around the corner, and we got the inside scoop. So buckle up as we take a look at what could be the next big thing in foldable technology. First off, let's talk about the design. According to the leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is set to sport a similar design to its predecessor, the Z Fold 4. However, there are a few significant improvements. The display is rumored to have a higher refresh rate, possibly around 144 Hz, which would make for smoother scrolling and an overall better visual experience. Next up, the cameras. Samsung is apparently stepping up its game with a completely revamped camera system. We're talking about a new and improved triple lens setup, featuring a primary sensor rumored to be in the 200 megapixel range, along with a telephoto lens and an ultra-wide angle lens. This could make the Z Fold 5 one of the most versatile camera phones on the market. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to be powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which promises improved performance and efficiency, paired with a generous amount of RAM. This device should be an absolute powerhouse. As for battery life, we're expecting an upgrade in that department too, with the rumored inclusion of a larger battery, possibly around 5000 mAh. The Z Fold 5 should be able to comfortably last you through the day, even with heavy usage. Software-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to run on Android 13 out of the box, with Samsung's One UI overlay. This means the latest Android features, coupled with Samsung's customizations, which should enhance the foldable experience. One exciting feature that's been hinted at is the possibility of an in-display fingerprint sensor, which would be a first for the Galaxy Z Fold series. Additionally, there are whispers about better water and dust resistance, which has been a weak point for foldable phones in the past. As for the price and release date, nothing is set in stone yet. However, based on previous releases, we expect the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to be unveiled sometime in August 2023, with a price tag that will likely be in line with its predecessors. So start saving now. Samsung has been making strides towards sustainability, and we expect the Galaxy Z 5 Fold to follow suit. The packaging may be eco-friendly, using recyclable materials, and the device itself could be designed with a focus on minimizing its environmental impact. As part of Samsung's commitment to sustainability, the Galaxy Z 5 Fold might also come with a trade-in program, encouraging users to recycle their old devices. The Samsung Galaxy Z 5 Fold is shaping up to be an exciting and innovative addition to the world of foldable smartphones. With cutting-edge display technology, S Pen support, and a focus on sustainability, this device could set new standards for the industry. Be sure to stay tuned as we continue to cover the latest news and leaks about the Galaxy Z 5 Fold. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all your tech updates. I'll see you next time.